Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you have internet connection but you cannot browse Google Chrome or use Google Play Store on your OUKITEL OKT1. So in order to do this, let's try opening any website on our Google Chrome. As you can see, it won't load, and the same as with Google Play Store, so we can try downloading any app. As you can see, something went wrong. So now in order to fix this, let's go to the settings. We'll need to scroll all the way down and find System. Here select Date and Time. Pick the user network provided time and enable it like that. Now if we go back and open Google Chrome, reload that same page, it works without any problem. And the same is with Google Play Store. So we'll try opening the same apps. And it works normally. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like and a comment below.